Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's our revision assignment is on chapter 5 factors and multiples. First problem, the smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called the smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called the LCM. That means in the sense smallest, we can also call it as least common multiple or smallest common multiple. So the answer is LCM, option 2. Next, second question. The first two common multiples of 6 and 10 are. What are the multiples of 6? First write the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So these are all the multiples of 6. These are all the multiples of 6. At the same time, what are the multiples of 10? The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and so on. Okay, now in this, what are the common multiples of 6 and 10? The common multiples of 6 and 10 are, 6 is not there, 12, 18, 24 is also not there, 30 and here also 30. Both are common multiple for 6 and 10. So 30 is the common multiple. Next 36, 42, 48, 54. No, these are all not there. Next 60 is the common multiple of 6 and 10. So our answer is 30 and 60. Only two common multiples are enough, as they are asking us to find the first two common multiples. As they are asking us to find the first two common multiples of 6 and 10, the answer 30 and 60. So where it is? Option 1 is our answer. Next one, numbers ending in 0 are divisible by dash. See, the numbers which are ending with 0 are exactly divisible by 10. So the answer is 10. 6, no. 4, third option is 10. So option 3 is our answer. Fourth one, which of the following is divisible by 3? See, if a number is divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 3. Now find the sum of the digits of given number. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Is 2 divisible by 3? No. Next 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 9 is a multiple of 3. As 9 is a multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. So option 2 is our answer. Shall we check the remaining numbers? 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Is 10 a multiple of 3? No. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Is again 10. Is not divisible by 3. Next, all even numbers are divisible by dash. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So the answer, option 1. The fifth multiple of 19 is dash. What are the multiples of 19? 19, next 38 and so on you'll get. So instead of finding all the multiples of 19, you just multiply 5 with 19. As they are asking us to find the fifth multiple, 19 into 5 is enough. Now 19 fives, I know that 95. Instead of that, you can also multiply like this: 5 nines 45, 5 ones 5, 5 plus 4 9, 95. So answer is 95. Option 1 85, option 2 75, option 3 95. So option 3 is our answer. Dash is the smallest composite number. What is the smallest composite number? You just write the numbers. First number is 1, that means counting numbers. Always we use 1 for starting a counting, okay, to count any objects or any peoples. At that time we use to count with 1 only. So counting numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In this we know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next 2, we know that prime number. 3 is also prime number. So in these 3, do we have any composite number? No. Next one 4. 4 is not a prime number and this is a composite number. And is there any composite number before 4? No, there is no composite number before 4. So this is only the smallest composite number. 4 is our answer. 4 is the smallest composite number. First option 2, second option 5, third option 6, fourth option 4. So the answer is 4. The smallest factor of 15 is, see, smallest factor of 15. We know that 1 is the factor of every number. At the same time, 1 is only the smallest factor of every number. So answer is 1. Option 1 15, option 2 1. So option 2 is only our answer. Now the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are, first 3 common multiples, remember this children, of 6 and 8 are, what are the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8? First write the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. These are all the multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 8? The another number is 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So these are all the multiples of 8 and these are all the multiples of 6. And they are asking us to find the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. What are the common multiples of 6 and 8? See, what are the common multiples? 6 is not a common multiple of 8. 12, it is also not there. 18, also not there. 24, yes, 24 is there. This 24 is common multiple of 6 and 8. Next, now this is the smallest common multiple of 6 and 8. Now we just multiply, as they are asking us to first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. You just remember that this is the first multiple, 24. Okay, next multiply with 2, you will get the second multiple. Okay, 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4. This is the second multiple. That means second common multiple of 6 and 8. To get the third multiple, you just multiply. This means here 24 once 24 and 24 2s 48, 24 3s 72. Okay, so these are the common multiples, first three common multiples of 6 and 8. The answer is 24, 48, 72. Where it is in the options? 24, 36, 72. No, this is not suitable. Second, 12, 18, 24. No, this is also not matching. Third one, 24, 48, 72. 24, 48, 72. Yeah, this is matching. So option 3 is our answer. Next, find the numbers between 20 and 70. Okay, find the numbers between 20 and 70 that are even multiples of 3. So find the numbers which are in between 20 and 70. At the same time, those numbers must be even multiples of 3. For that, first we have to find the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, up to 30 we know, right? 3 tens 30. Next, 33, 36. As we need up to 70, we have to continue it. Okay. Next, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72 and so on. As we need up to 70, up to 72 are enough. Okay. Now find the even multiples of 3 which are in between 20 and 70. Okay. So after 20, up to 20 cross out all the multiples. Okay. Now 21, 24, 27 up to 72. Okay. In this, cross out these are all the multiples of 3. Now you just cross out the odd multiples of 3 which are in between 20 and 70. 21 odd number, yes, circle it in the next one. 27 odd number, circle the next one. 33 odd, 36 even. 39 cross, circle. 45 cross, 48 circle. 51 cross, circle. 54, 57 cross, circle. 60, 63 cross, circle. 66 cross and circle. But they are asking us to find the between numbers, so this is also not necessary. Now what are the circled numbers? 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and 66. Now check it in the options. 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and 66. This is only our answer. Option 1 is our answer. This is our assignment for today, children. Thank you.